stuff, and she always get mad at me because I don't bring it back, but she don't ever bring my stuff back. Like, girl, how you gonna get mad at me? Girl, you better leave me alone. Leave me alone. Okay. I need some chapstick. Like, I got some. I don't be using it. My lip be dry, so I just use my spit. I'm about to get the fuck ASAP. Hey guys, it's voiceover me. So let me just give you a heads up. Like, it's going to skip to the next part where like half of my eye is already brown because my intro was just like messed up. Like, girl, I ain't even do one. And like the video that I did have, it's all sloppy and like bougie or whatever. But I'll show you like the first palette that I'm using, which is a Morphe palette. Like, you see all the colors, you know, I tried to put it out, blah blah blah. But it's just gonna skip ahead, just letting you guys know. Hope you guys like this makeup tutorial or slash get ready with me, and I will see you guys later. Bye. Somebody called me, so I was really interrupted. Anyway, back to my things. So I'm going back between like this red color and this like brownish color. To make it darker. I don't know. I don't know. I'm be using this. My sister got it off of Bad Cosmetics. Badass Cosmetics, okay? Where's my brush? The video I do, I be looking for stuff like I be looking for like where I'm you want like a snake, move like a snake, move like a snake. Y'all, I'm supposed to be showing y'all how I do my makeup. Walker, that's a little bit. Y'all, cut my hair. You like my bob? First, don't like my bob because that's why I failed. But I'm crap out name. I'm about to get them. Dip straight to your doorstep. I should have let it dry, boy. I don't care. Y'all know when y'all be doing y'all makeup. Cause you know, be times when you in your room, you doing your makeup, you know, you're not recording or nothing, like you just doing your makeup for the day because you know you gotta go to work or something. Just be in your room like talking to yourself like you messed up your eyeball one more time. Me and you gonna fight. Like, it's just like that. Like, we're going to fight. You talking to yourself in the mirror. Like, do it again. See what's gonna happen. If I'm the only one that do that, y'all lame. Look at it. Oh, this I look so much better. Move. Get out the way. Get out the way. Get out the way. I don't know how long. I don't know why it took y'all this long to realize that I am ugly. Really? The one I'm going to be using is NY X NYX. The Born to Glow. to contour. I don't have one dog. Using this angle brush to contour my face. I'm gonna use this color because that's the color of my other one.
Lip liner. Before I my eyelashes. This is LA Girl Perfection Lip Liner in the color Chocolate.
Lashes, I got them off AliExpress, and this is going to be my first time trying them on. So hopefully, okay, so I put on my eyelashes. I put on some more highlight, a different highlighter. I put on this highlighter. I need to buy a bigger one of these because this highlighter is bomb. It fits my skin tone perfectly, like, period. Naked. Okay. How do you guys anyway, you guys like this look? Like, at first I didn't like it. I was like, ugh, like, you ugly. But then, like, when I put the eyelashes on, I be like, who's that girl? Who's that girl? This video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Be back for more videos because my crazy stuff gonna go take thumbnail pictures. Bye.